No way.
Earlier, YouTube as well, too.
No way, that's cool.
That'd be a whole lot of fun from the Hemi to Gremlin.
Yeah.
My boss was there, so and he's like, okay, so this is loose.
Tukes.
I didn't tighten the bolt on the alternator.
Tukes and tires.
See this stuff, right? And I didn't know that we had to have really good contact on your battery cables, things like that. And I was just hooked up ever since. So then she gave me $400 for doing that, and I got to keep the truck that I just took together. Yeah, so I was 15 at the time, didn't have my license yet, so I bought my other buddy's truck for $100, which was completely rocky, and for $100, I got another engine, a whole works truck, and my boss said, you know what, I saw you work with
Pretty sure Deboss is right there. We could check out that hybrid truck thing.
So I took the trucks home, and I did another engine swap, and I got a because now we're starting to keep like tires. So then I put the two trucks together, a little S10, there's an 87 S10, a little 2.4 liter, 5-speed manual, and I go along and said, hey, it's working, it's running, it's moving, it's stopping. He goes, oh, I actually didn't really expect you to finish it, but yeah, I guess I'll take it. So he painted it bright yellow, driving around a bright yellow S10, and ever since then I've been swapping engines, swapping parts. So I ran I did mechanics for a while. I'm a licensed heavy-duty equipment mechanic, so I worked on a lot of agricultural equipment, bulldozers, excavators, things like that.
1970 Plymouth Superbird. I love the paint. Very cool. That is excellent. Oh, this thing's clean, man. 420? Honest herbs? '68 Charger. And the show piece of this thing. There you go.
Oh.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. That's the one right there. I wonder if it's a numbered. Iconic. They use it in the shows, don't they?
In the new season, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Just got back 3 days ago from Nova Scotia filming.
Nice. You like this one? In memory of at Moparfest. My man. If you want to go to see the Deboss thing, it's on the trailer. Yeah. Definitely need a ladder for this one. Yeah?
Very nice. Well done.
Well done, sir. Gregory, which one would you get? First gen, I think, eh? Or is it a second gen? Sorry.
Second gen. Second gen, but it's hard one. No, second gen. But it's hard one.
What do you think of the car with the original owner?
that was neat.
So many people are stopping with their kids, putting them in front of the door and taking a picture.
Yeah.
They don't take a picture of the car.
No, the original owner, right?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. All right. Whoa, that's sick.
I know, right?
Oh,
Look at the cylinders on the front.
wow. What is this? 1974? Phenomenal. Very clean.
40 units.
I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time, sir. It'll be on this channel, man. Just Mopars.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. I like this thing. Yes. What?
Frank is like my spirit animal.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Aw, the shit wheel.
Is it there? Seen this guy before. Oh, is he?
I'm glad you had that.
Where's he at? I remember this guy. I remember this guy. That's cool.
We got 380 spots, so that's kind of cool.
Even the screws are
Jane's chicken strips on the roof. $8, Julian, the good kind.
That's amazing.
Boy, Neil, we couldn't have the balance of the car that used to show.
This is the real car.
It is now.
Yeah.
The real car died. It made such a good
Oh, hold on.
Just got back.
Here you go, sir. Thank you.
Just takes the hockey stick.
That's how you do it, though.
Yeah, man. I want it so badly, just fuck it.
Well, John Guns are jumping to the car, the actual one. So you can pull it and like see it because it's sitting in a wrecking yard. You don't see it.
Aw.
Like it's wrapped, but it's sitting there so you can just duplicate it.
Like a fucking